I just got this story today and I really loved it. A movie theater announces that they're going to play a 10-minute award-winning movie prior to every show in the theater. People are really excited and they all come in early and settle down because they don't want to really miss any part of this 10-minute award-winning movie. The movie began with a snapshot of the room ceiling. There's no decoration on the ceiling, it was just plain blank ceiling. Couple of minutes passed, but the camera did not move. People started wondering, and though they were whispering, the frustration was very obvious. After a couple of more minutes, emotions were moving from frustration to anger. People started wondering, what could be wrong with this man who made this movie? They started ridiculing the jury who gave this man the award. And they could not understand why this theatre management would like to show this movie before every show. After about 8 to 9 minutes, people were getting really impatient. And at that time, the camera moved from the ceiling to the floor. And suddenly, the audience got to see a bedridden man looking at the ceiling. He was totally handicapped due to some spinal cord injury. The camera again rolled back from the floor to the ceiling, and the following sentence appeared on the screen. We showed you only 9 minutes of this young man's daily activity from the 24 hours of his life, and which he will probably watch for the rest of his life. And you complained and ran out of patience as you couldn't bear to watch it even for 9 minutes. So friends, right now, if you are not confined to the ceiling, consider yourself lucky. And if you are able to manage 3 meals a day, and if you have your loved ones close to you, consider yourself as absolutely blessed. Irrespective of what age or what stage of life you are in right now, you can always rebuild and make it big. Remember, someone had lost all his money and wealth at the age of 57, and then KBC happened and he regained all his stardom and all the money and much more at that age. Someone's hotel got shut at the age of 62, and then he franchised his recipe for fried chicken, and today we have KFC. And then there is someone who started his acting career at the age of 45, and he went on to become one of the most promising actors in the Bollywood industry. Remember friends, you have only been physically quarantined, not mentally. So please think, plan, strategize. So when things open up, you know where to hit, how to hit, and how to make it big. And don't forget, happiness is always a choice. So stay happy and keep smiling. Thank you.